Good evening, everyone. This is Ramona coming to you from Social Media How To's with Ramona. I am coming to you today because, as many of you may know, Facebook was down or partially down again today, as well as Instagram and WhatsApp. So, I wanted to quickly do a video for you to show you or to remind you because I've written a couple of different posts and sent out a couple of email marketing campaigns on how to download your Facebook data. This is very important because, once again, your social media accounts do not belong to you. So anything that you have posted is on Facebook. And if they happen to go down forever, you have lost all of your stuff. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is make sure that you're logged into your Facebook account. Go ahead and click on the drop down menu in the upper right hand corner. Click on the page whose information you want to download. Go ahead and click on settings in the upper right hand corner. And if I'm going too fast, just know that there is a blog post as well where the directions are all written out for you. So then you want to scroll down on the settings general tab, which is the default tab when you go to your settings on Facebook, and then click on download page. Okay, I'm going to click on the edit link, and then it will say download page. Get a copy of your page's posts, photos, videos, and page info. So you want to go ahead and click on download page, and then you want to scroll down. It's going to just make sure you're on the tab that says request copy, and the available copies tab is for when you actually download your copies. That's where it will show up. You download your files, that's where they will show up. So just scroll down a little bit on the page and make sure that you have checked every one of these boxes. So what these are is what types of information you want to download from Facebook. My recommendation is that you download everything, especially since this is probably the third or fourth time that Facebook has been down since December or November, whenever I wrote that first blog post of 2018. So go ahead and check. I want my post. I want my photos and videos. I want my events. I want my page profile information. I want other page activity. And I also want my page settings, which will include everything that you've given Facebook in reference to setting up your page. So let's scroll back up and click on create file. So it is loading. You will see over on the right, it says we're creating a copy of your Facebook page. We'll let you know when it's ready to download. Now, what they will do is they will actually allow you to download your information, but it will come into your inbox. You will first get an email requesting or asking you whether it was you or not who requested this download. You will confirm, and then you will receive a second email that will let you know that the download is complete, and it will give you a link that will bring you back to this page, this tab right here, where it will say available copies. And when it is created, you will actually see in here right now it's saying that I requested the information, right? So once the download is finished, it will say download complete, and then it will have a download button over here. Now, again, there is a blog post that I have written, and it is on my page, or I'm sorry, on my website, romonafoster.com. Just click on blogs and search for it there. And then that should help you. And if you're on my email list, you'll also get an email because I will also do an email in reference to downloading your Instagram data, which I know is very important to a lot of people who are um, famous for posting on Instagram. So it's really late. So I'm kind of sleepy, but I wanted to get this video done because today that was very disturbing. A lot of people contacted me and asked me what was going on. So I wanted to go ahead and do it. Oh, it just popped up. A copy of Admin Tech Consulting is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh this page, and then I can show you now. That was perfect. It usually takes a little longer than that. So we're going to go ahead. And also, I would recommend, if you are a social media manager like I am, I would also do this for each and every one of your clients' pages. So here we go. So it says file 1 of 1. So some people will have maybe multiple sets of files in here depending on how much you have posted on Facebook. Okay. And it's saying that it is giving me all of my information from August 11th, 2009, when I first started on Facebook, to today's date, which is July 3rd, 2019, when all of this is happening. So go ahead and click on download, and it will open up your save as dialog box. And for now, I'm just going to save it in my download folder on my computer. Now, if you want to save it, which I would recommend, is that you save wherever your files are on your computer so you know exactly where it is. I actually have a file that's called Facebook Downloads, and I'll save it there later. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and click Save into my Downloads folder on my computer. And you see down at the bottom of the screen where it is saving. And hopefully it says it's going to take 5, 6, 7, 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm not actually going to show you what to do. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to click on this folder once it's done, and it will open up a dialog box where you will see the zip file. You can then extract the zip file so that you can see all of your folders, and it will include all of that information that we spoke about earlier. The post, it will include your posts, your photos, your videos, your events, your page profile information, other page activity, and your page settings. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Please, please, please download your information, because I have had in the past people calling me very upset because they've either lost their Facebook account or something has happened where they've lost their information. So please do this. And I recommend that you do it at least once a month if you're a heavy poster. If you're not, you can get away with once every couple of months. But just make sure that you protect yourself and your information. All right. And with that, I am signing off. Have a good night.